Good morning, everyone. A little different video today. In today's video, we're doing a product review of the Chemical Guys Super Cleaner. Now, up front, I'm not sponsored by Chemical Guys. They don't pay me. They don't give me free products. I just use their stuff because it works. I like it, and some of it smells really good. So I'm going to be doing some reviews on the different products that I use in the event you would like to try them on your vehicle. So today, like I said, we're using the Super Cleaner, and the demonstration vehicle for today's video is my daily driver, a 1996 Jeep Grand Cherokee with almost 260,000 miles on it that sits outside every day of its life. And as you can see out here on the farm, you can hear and you can see it's got tree sap, it's got bugs, tar, all the good stuff. So like I said, in today's video, we're going to be using this, and the towels are just clean cotton towels. I would use, if it was on some of the more high-end cars, I would use the microfiber towels, but the old girl here sits outside all her life, so cotton's good enough. So as you heard, it was quite rough. You heard the scratching, so we're going to let that sit just a second and then come back over it. Notice how clean this is. Okay, it's perfectly clean. It's brand new. All right, watch this. Look at that nasty. So now I apologize for the sun not being out today. Mother Nature does not go by my schedule, so again, I apologize for that. But I think you will see on our little test spot here, and boy, do I have a lot of polishing to do all of the old girl. Look at the difference. Now, I'm going to rub my hand up here. Listen to this. Now I'm going to rub my hand here where I just cleaned it. Literally nothing. That is the difference that made. Again, not sponsored. I just use their stuff because it works. And you can see this old girl that has sat out all her life, that part of her looks brand new. So again, this is what we're using if you would like to try some for your favorite ride. As always, thanks for watching and have a great day.